Hey guys, hopefully everybody is having a great day thus far. Today I'll be doing a mukbang of some nachos. I have the chips, the guacamole chips that I got from Walmart. Yeah, everything is from Walmart basically. Ground beef, regular ground beef, some Fiesta shredded cheese, and some sour cream. I also have some salsa that I may put on it, probably. It really depends. And I have a 40, some Canada Dry, and also some water just in case. I need to clear my mouth right quick. Whew. I needed that. It's been a long day. Excuse me. That was good. I needed a cold drink. I haven't had anything since I came in the house. Excuse me. But yeah, my Memorial Day went pretty good. I went grocery shopping with my mom, so I got to see my mom. Really didn't do nothing else, just rolled around the city a little bit. I like these guacamole chips. They're really good. But one funny thing is, I stay on the highest floor, where I stay at the third floor, and this dude, like, he's really friendly over here. He's cool people. Like Saturday, like probably 2-3 days ago, he asked me, he was like, yeah, why you never be asking for help? Why you just gonna blow the horn if you need help or whatever, getting the groceries up? So I was like, okay. And then I wasn't thinking nothing of it. And then today I had to bring the groceries up all these stairs. And then I seen him, I saw he was like, you need help? And I was like, nah, I'm good. And like, he asked again, and I said, I'm good too. And like, as I was going up the first floor, he was like, you for sure, you for sure? And I was like, sure, yeah, I'm for sure, I don't need help. So I get all the way to my, like probably 3 steps from my door, and then the almond milk that I got fell down. It not only fell down, it fell in between the stairs. So it went through all the actual steps and landed on the first floor. And then the dude would come back like, what happened? He didn't even say nothing. I just heard him say what happened downstairs. He was like, I told you. I was like, what the heck? I do not like making 2 trips for groceries. At all. Chips pretty, that felt pretty good. Use some conte sauce. It's so called hot, but I don't really think it's that hot. I've been like over the past couple, like 6 months, I've been liking hot food, jalapenos, like stuff I didn't used to like. It's weird. And the weird thing when I be going to like certain chicken places now, I just ask for a jalapeno on the side so I can squeeze it on my chicken. I never used to do that. I don't know, it's weird. Damn. But tomorrow I so-called start this new job. I'm not for sure how it's gonna work out. I haven't really seen any bad reviews for this location where it's gonna be at. So hopefully I like it. Not bad. I ended up putting a lot of seasoning in my ground beef this time because I've been like lately, like probably the last 2 or 3 times I've been wondering why I couldn't actually taste seasoning because I season a lot. I put what's it called? Onions, garlic, season, like all the seasoning in my cabinet on it, and then I just basically make the ground beef, and then I put the taco seasoning in it. So I was wondering why it didn't have enough seasoning, but this time I like loaded up with seasoning. I don't know. And I can finally taste it. It's good. I'm trying to find some new places to eat, or whatever. I know I stay like on the major road or whatever. They have a lot of good stuff, but no places that I heard people actually rave about and say the food was actually good. But I need some new places to actually test. I just cleaned my dang carpet. Oh well. But yeah, I need some different places to go to when I go out to eat. The only reason I've seen that 0 degrees is because I seen it advertised on my Facebook. It was a sponsor ad. Oh, that's the only reason. I just took my chances. I didn't really see a lot of. Well, I seen reviews, but not from somebody that I know. time to wake up slow so I won't die. Whew. Whew. I know I should have added some more meat. I don't understand how people be chewing with gums. But when those should just hit the top of my freaking roof of my mouth, I was just about to curse. And that is hurt. I can't imagine just eating with like completely gums. Oh no. Well, that made me second guess if I'm gonna make it when I get old. When I get old. So I'm gonna be sore in the morning. What was top of my mouth's gonna be sore in the morning. Whew. A lot. Hard as heck. I'm freaking tired. But I mean, I have beer about that. Just thinking. Oh, good hell. I don't normally prefer my own cooking. I don't know, it's weird. Sometimes I prefer like my mom's cooking over everything. So, yeah, other people cooking, but I usually prefer eating my nachos It was like portioned well, or for me, it was like the seasonings at least. So yeah, I really enjoyed that meal. It's weird, really weird. I should have got. Oh yeah, I forgot. I was supposed to get some ice cream, but I guess I said nothing. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna have some dessert or whatever, have a quick snack before I go to sleep, because I'm still hungry, but I don't want to make another plate and I'm not gonna end up eating it all. So yeah, just wow. Okay, just edit that out. Anxious to start this new job. I'm sure after you guys will actually see this, is my first day of work gonna be completed. I hate that stuff. A freaking fire alarm just went off. I need to change my battery. Something never happened. But yeah, I hate that when it be on video. But yeah, back to the subject. Whenever you guys see this, my first day of work will be completed at this job, so wish me luck. I'm sure I'll actually enjoy it. If I don't, I can always leave. Because I'm only gonna be in training, but I'm sure I'm going to enjoy it. But yeah, I'm about to get off of this. I'm annoyed by the fire alarm, so I'm sure nobody else want to hear this. Have a good night, have a good morning, good afternoon. Take care. Oh yeah, me and Kiana made a YouTube channel. It's somewhere in the description. Kiana and Nisha. It's the N symbol in between. KYIANNA. N symbol. M''SHA. I'm hoping she actually spelled my name right. So yeah, good night. That was a throw up burp.